Hi, welcome everyone. So today we will present our project, and it's a class of software engineering with assessment tool, and we have five team members in our group. So if you're wondering what is Gracie Fine, so don't care about this because I really make the slides by my email address and the name is the email address, so no worry about that. Thank you, and just pay your attention in five names here. Thank you. So see what we have for today. So with our project's overview, the Smart Bistro is a modern system designed for a restaurant. It combines ordering, the kitchen operations, the inventory management, and analytics into one platform. So the goal of the system is to improve efficiency and provide a better experience for both customers and staff. What's a key feature we have in this project? So our system includes several important features. The first, the customer can scan a QR code to view the menu, place orders, and make payments. So imagine when you go to a restaurant and you really see you see a QR code on the table, and you just need to scan it, and then you access to the system. You just order you order the food by yourself, then the kitchen would confirm with the system, and after that you just wait until your order come. Okay, until your order coming. Okay, and second, the staff can manage a table in real time. A third, the kitchen use a display system to receive a prioritized order. So it's just like the line, you go first, you get first. Okay. And in addition, the system tracks the inventory automatically and provides sales analytics and customer loyalty features. That's very important to help the restaurant improve their benefit and also build the trust between them and the customer that we call the loyalty. And we come to the next one, what is system requirements? There's two aspects which are very important that all the system requirements. The first we have the functional, that what we see on the display of the system. We should have the order processing, the table management, the kitchen operations, and inventory checking, and also also the other one, but important also, the non-functional requirements. It focuses on the performance and reliability, such as the fast response time, the high ability, and the data consistency. So trust me, this is also very important, even though it's not displaying on your screen. So imagine in it's peak hour when there's many customers want to order your food, and then your website, your system is shut down. No one, yeah, no one wants to see it. So that's why the non-functional requirements is very important. Next one, what is the requirement priorities? We also priority requirements, the most important features that we must have, the five thing here. That's a QR ordering and payment, the table management, the kitchen system, the inventory checking, and the data integrity. And also with other features like the reservation, the analytics, the loyalty programs, and consider it less critical and can be added later. We come to the most important of all the project of this assessment. So what methodology we chose here? We made a decision to choose the Agile Scrum, and why we choose it, because our system has many components and its requirements may change over time. So that's why the Agile Scrum is very suitable because it's flexible. The Agile allows us to work in the small iterations called sprints, receive feedback regularly, and improve the system step by step. Like in every step we can have meeting agendas and we can be clear with information between the team members and between the department. Also with the customer requirements, we will improve our system in time. Other thing, we come to the project timeline. The project timeline is very detailed on our system. I'm sorry, in our assessment, with so many of the diagrams show very clear, but I just condenses the content with a few texts here. So I hope that I can make you understand our system clearer. But please, you still have to open the assessment to see the to have a look with the diagrams. Okay, so we see at the early stage, we focus on the core features like ordering the payment. Then we develop table management and the kitchen system. And after that, we add the inventory and analytics features. And finally, we complete the testing and document, like easier like that. So what the budgets here? So in the initial budget, the total estimated budget for this project is around 39,890 Australian dollars. It's very detailed because we pay because we really calculate how to pay the developers and pay the programmers by the Australian minimum rates pay. The most of course comes from the development team. Like we really have 4 programmers in our team, and they're all the senior, and we pay them $25 per hour. So, okay. In this case, because our developers they trust the students. They in the senior level, so that's why we can save money. Because hiding them is much more cheaper than hiding the junior or or the experiences programmers. And they work part time. They work part time. And the timetable, the time schedule is very detailed on the assessment. It's not on the slide. Thank you. So next we talk about the system workflow, and the system workflow is simple and efficient. Sorry. The first, the customer can scan the QR code and place an order. The orders is sent directly to the kitchen system, and then the kitchen prepares the food, and the system updates the inventory automatically. And all the data is then recorded for analysis and reporting. Thank you. I'm sorry. I really forgot to talk about the system architecture. So our system is 3-tier architecture. The front end is responsible for the user interface. The backend handles the business logic and processing. The database stores all the data. The structures help make the system more scalable and easier to maintain. Thank you. So in the conclusion, so what we have in Smart Bistro, it helps to improve the restaurant operations by reducing manual work and increasing efficiency. It also enhances the customer experience through the faster and more convenient service. And overall, it provides valuable insights to support better business decision. And thank you for listening. So for more detail, you can give us a feedback without assessment. Thank you.